Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best inexpensive coffee makers you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many inexpensive coffee makers and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each inexpensive coffee makers so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying an inexpensive coffee maker. First, think about the brewing method that best suits your routine, such as drip, single serve, or French press. Next, check the capacity, since a small model works for one person, while larger families may need more cups at once. Pay attention to build quality and durability, even in budget options, because cheaper materials may not last long. Also, look at ease of cleaning, since removable parts and accessible designs save time. Consider energy efficiency and brewing speed as they affect daily convenience. Finally, read user reviews to understand real experiences before making your purchase. A balance between price, performance, and reliability ensures you get great value for your money. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful reviews and tips.